Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super useful for all you Apple Card holders. How to use daily cash in 2025. If you've been earning that sweet cash back but aren't sure how to make the most of it, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, what exactly is daily cash? It's the cash rewards you get back on your purchases with the Apple Card. Depending on where you shop, you can earn up to 3% back. Think of it as free money added to your account automatically. In 2025, Apple has made it even easier to track and use these rewards, with updated features in the Wallet app for seamless management. So, how do you earn it? It's straightforward. Every time you use your Apple Card for eligible purchases, like shopping at Apple stores or using Apple Pay at partnered merchants, your daily cash piles up. For everyday spends, you might get 1 to 2%, but max it out by choosing Apple-friendly options. The best part? It accumulates daily and is added to your account without any extra effort. Now, let's get to the fun part, using your daily cash. There are a couple of simple ways to do this. Option 1. Apply it directly to your Apple Card balance to pay down your statement faster. This is perfect if you're carrying a balance and want to save on interest. Option 2. Transfer it to your Apple Cash account. Once it's there, you can use it for purchases, send it to friends via messages, or even withdraw it to your bank. Here's a quick step-by-step guide. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone, select your Apple Card, and tap on the Daily Cash Summary. You'll see your available rewards. Choose to apply them to your card or move them to Apple Cash. It's that easy. In 2025, look for new personalization features that let you set automatic rules for your rewards. A few tips to maximize your daily cash. Always opt for Apple Pay when possible to boost your earnings, and keep an eye out for limited time offers that could increase your cashback. Remember, daily cash doesn't expire, so you can let it build up for bigger expenses. There you have it. Using daily cash on your Apple Card is a game changer for your finances in 2025. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.